g'day guys, as always, hope everyone has been well. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Just on holidays at the moment, it's nice to kick back and just relax, so that's what I'm doing today. But I just wanted to share with you guys, I ended up picking up Corgi a little present, a little Christmas present. We've ended up going for a Cobb gear knob, guys. I thought it was time for a bit of a change in Corgi. So what comes in the box? So it ends up coming with a little certificate. So shout out to Harrison, he picked the gear knob for Corgi, and it also comes with two stickers, two Cobb stickers, so I think that's pretty cool. So I've gone for a white, and it's got the red racing logo there with the Cobb logo on it, so I think it's pretty cool. It is made out of a Delrum, if I'm pronouncing it right. The good thing with Delrum is it's not made out of steel or aluminium where it's going to burn your hand every time you get in your car to change gears. So it's quite good with the sun as well too, and also too in winter it won't be freezing cold on your hands. So we're going to go ahead today and install that, but I thought before we install it I just wanted to say a big thank you to Pro Speed Racing. Guys, definitely check them out. I will put their link in the description. If anyone is after any mods for their car, whether it's a downpipe for a JCW or for a Golf R, I'll just tell you, these guys know their stuff when it comes to mods. So I think I ended up spending nearly an hour there with the boys. Nice bunch of guys. Thanks Ben for, I think we ended up going through 5 different gear knobs to find the right gear knob for Corgi. As we all know, with the JCW, it does have a H pattern on the gear shifter. So ended up going for an extension for it. I've been looking heaps online to try to find something with a thread. So I think I picked that up on Amazon for around $35. So there's the extension there, and it pretty much just screws in. It's not rocket science. There it is there, and that ends up going over the top of the H pattern. It's got like little Allen keys to secure it, to stop it from moving. So this one here that I ended up going for the Mini, the one that ended up fitting that extension was off a Ford Focus RS. I will put all the links in the description below. But again, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Pro Speed Racing. Go check them out, guys. Like I said, they know their stuff when it comes to mods. So I can't wait to get back down there again and see what else stuff they've got for Corgi. I know they do have some catback exhaust systems and downpipes, so that will be definitely happening soon. So let's go install it, and let's go do it. Rightio guys, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to remove the genuine one. I've got to say, I don't mind the feel and the look of the genuine one that you get in a Mini JCW. I just thought it was time for a little bit of change. My biggest thing that I was hoping to get was a little bit more height. Just makes for a comfortable drive, I prefer. So this doesn't have a thread. This should hopefully just pull straight up and come straight off. So we'll go ahead and remove that. There we go guys, it just pops straight off. A little bit of perseverance, and there we have it, come straight off. So now we'll remove the leather boot here as well too. Okay, with this chrome round trim, it does pop off. It does have like clips around it, but there we go, it comes straight off. It's pretty easy. There we have it there, guys. So what I was thinking of doing, because that extension is black, what I'm probably going to do is the rest of the gear shifter, I'm actually going to paint it all black. That way it does look all one with the white gear knob. Something a little bit different, something that I had thought of. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get all that cleaned up, get it all masked up and get it prepped ready for painting. Guys, let's see if the extension does fit before we do get it ready for paint. Okay, beautiful, there it is there. So you can probably tell the look that I'm going for, a bit of a rally look, definitely that short shifter look as well too. I know they are quite expensive. I think some of them are up the $1,000 mark, something that sort of does give you that height as well too, but I've got to say I'm pretty happy with that at this present moment. It's definitely a lot higher than what the original one was as well too. So we'll go ahead and let's get it prepped up and painted. This one here is a little bit tarnished as well. I probably could leave it silver, but I'm just sort of thinking silver, black, and the white with the red is sort of like too much happening. it's drying, I just decided to have some lunch. But while it is drying, I thought let's remove the existing gear knob from the leather boot. It's pretty much straightforward, guys. Just pop it off. There we go. There's the old one. Put that one to the side. I am going to keep and use the existing leather gear boot for now until I decide on what I want to change it with, whether I want to go something Alcantara or maybe a different color. But for now, this thing is still looking pretty nice. Bit of a clean up and I'm sure it'll come up fine. I am going to enjoy my lunch and then hopefully by that time it should be all sweet. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Well, I think I ate too much food. Alright, so it's pretty much all dry. Pretty happy with it. Going to go ahead, remove all this paper and tape, and then we can start installing the boot. And then finally the gear knob. It should be all sweet. But just be careful. Like I said, it is dry, but now we're going to install the extension and the gear knob. I was thinking maybe it's probably best to tighten it down onto the gear knob itself before we put that on. That way I really want the Cobb logos facing the doors when you do open the doors. So I'm going to tighten that up, we'll slide it on, we'll get the Allen key and we should be right to put it on. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and tighten up those Allen keys. It's all installed. I've got to say I absolutely love it. Love the look of it. It was definitely what I was going for. Bit of a rally look with it as well too. But I've got to say it feels absolutely awesome. Can't wait to drive it. I guess that will be the big test. See what it is like. But I'll keep an eye on it, probably in time, whether those grub screws will come loose. At the moment they feel fine. If not, I can drill into them as well too, just so it sort of does bite a little bit more onto the steel. But as in height wise, I've got to say, if anyone is thinking of doing it with that extension, I'd highly recommend it. If you're looking for height, it is pretty much in line here with the CD player as a comparison. So definitely a lot more higher from the stock standard one. But overall, absolutely loving it. It was really what I was after. Look, at the end of the day, I know it's no, short shifter or anything like that, like a dog box, but for the price of the gear knob, the paint work, I highly recommend if you're looking for that look. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay posted, definitely more videos to come on Corgi, and I want to say a big thank you again to Pro Speed Racing. Check them out, guys, like I said. But stay safe and look forward to catching you on the next one. See yous. Bye bye.